Making money faster actually doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine platforms that pay you within just 24 hours for simple tasks. No waiting, no unnecessary delays. Today, I'll walk you through 7 reliable platforms that can help you generate quick cash and build a consistent side hustle income. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Damir, and this is where we explore practical ways to make money both online and offline, alongside tips on productivity, investing, and self-improvement. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on strategies to level up your financial game. Let's dive right in. Oh, quick note before we begin. These platforms aren't designed to make you a millionaire overnight. Instead, they offer a way to steadily increase your cash flow. Whether you want to cover a bill or add a bit more breathing room to your monthly budget, these options can make a meaningful impact when used wisely. Now, let's dive right in. First on the list is Gigwalk, a mobile app that connects businesses with on-demand workers. These workers are known as gig walkers. They are tasked with completing quick, straightforward assignments such as taking photos of store shelves to verify product placements, checking item availability or promotional displays, or filling out customer surveys to provide valuable feedback. This app uses GPS to display gigs in your area, making it easy to find tasks nearby. And payments range from $3 to $100 per task. That depends on the time and effort required. And once completed, funds are processed to PayPal, usually within 24 hours. Though, in some cases, it might take up to 5 business days to reflect on your account. Now, what makes Gigwalk particularly appealing is its flexibility. You're in control of your schedule and can pick up tasks whenever it's convenient for you. If you're traveling, you can even activate the app in a new city and find gigs there. And that's a really handy option for earning extra cash while on the move. Gigwalk was founded in 2010, and it's available both in US and Canada. And it's a really trusted and accessible platform for anyone looking to turn spare time into extra income. Whether you're looking to supplement your earnings or just want a quick and easy way to make money, Gigwalk is a solid choice. Next up is ClearVoice, a platform that connects businesses with freelance writers for high-quality content creation. Whether your expertise lies in tech, finance, healthcare, or other niches, ClearVoice provides opportunities to work with a wide range of clients seeking professional-level writing. One of its best features is that you set your own rates, giving you control over how much you earn. Most writers on the platform charge between 10 cents and $1 per word, depending on their experience and the complexity of the work. Payments are processed every Monday, and the funds typically land in your PayPal account within 24 hours, ensuring you get paid quickly for completed assignments. Now, if you're not entirely confident in your writing skills, don't worry. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can make the process smoother. Tools like Claude are especially effective for crafting human-like content for newsletters, blogs, or website copy. But it's always a good idea to personalize and refine your work to make it stand out. ClearVoice has been operating since 2014 and has built a reputation as a reliable and user-friendly platform for freelancers. Whether you're looking to create an additional income stream or want to turn your writing skills into a full-time career, this platform offers the flexibility and earning potential to get started. It's an excellent choice for anyone serious about professional content writing. TextMaster is a global platform that offers services in translation, content writing, and proofreading, making it a versatile option for freelancers with language or writing skills. Founded in 2011 in France, TextMaster has expanded its reach worldwide. It supports 54 languages and serving over 10,000 clients over various industries. While it specializes mostly in technical, legal, e-com, and marketing translations, the platform also covers more than 50 expertise areas. So there's plenty of variety depending on your skills and interests. So the rates vary based on the task and language. For translations, you can earn between 3 and 8 cents per word, while content writing typically pays from 2 to 10 cents per word. Although these rates may seem modest at first, they can add up quickly if you're efficient and work on larger projects. Payments are processed through PayPal or Payoneer, with funds becoming available within 24 hours after the task is approved and completed. This ensures you get paid quickly for your efforts, making it a dependable platform for consistent income. Whether you're an experienced translator or just starting out in the field, TextMaster provides a steady stream of opportunities to showcase your skills and work with clients from around the globe. Its broad scope of services and flexibility make it an excellent choice for freelancers looking to expand their reach. Field Agent is a mobile app that operates similarly to Gigwalk, focusing on retail audits and market research through crowdsourced in-store data collection. Businesses use Field Agent to gather real-time insights, making it a valuable tool for monitoring product performance and market trends. Tasks on Field Agent are diverse and can include price checks to ensure pricing accuracy, product availability surveys to confirm items are actually in stock, competitor analysis to gather intelligence on rival brands, or customer experience surveys to collect feedback directly from shoppers. The platform offers payouts from $3 to $20 per task, depending on the complexity and time required. While simpler assignments like verifying a product's presence on shelves might pay less, more detailed tasks such as competitor analysis can yield higher earnings. Payments are processed via Dwolla or direct bank transfers and are often sent immediately after task completion. So this means you can receive your earnings promptly, making Field Agent a reliable option for those seeking quick payouts. Now, whether you're looking to earn extra cash during your spare time or want a flexible side hustle, Field Agent's easy-to-use platform and variety of tasks make it a great choice for anyone interested in market research and retail-focused gigs. Now, Prolific is a platform that connects you with research studies conducted by renowned organizations like Stanford University and Cancer Research UK. While it's based in UK, Prolific welcomes participants from around the world, making it truly global opportunity. Once you create a profile and provide your demographic information, Prolific matches you with studies that align with your background. These tasks typically involve answering surveys, questions, or participating in research activities designed to gather valuable insights. Most studies take between 6 and 30 minutes to complete, and you can earn up to $12 per hour. Prolific stands out for its transparency and efficiency. Payments start at $6.50 minimum threshold and are sent via PayPal within minutes of your submission being approved. This platform is perfect for anyone looking to earn quick money while contributing to meaningful research. Whether you're answering questions about consumer behavior or providing input on academic studies, Prolific offers a unique way to turn your spare time into cash while supporting important projects. Now, Testbirds is a crowd testing platform that helps major brands like BMW, DHL, and Western Union ensure their apps, websites, and software are user-friendly and bug-free. As a tester, your role involves identifying bugs, testing usability, and providing detailed feedback to help companies refine their digital products. Now, the complexity of the tasks varies, and so the earnings. You can make anywhere from €20 to €100 per task, with higher payouts for tasks requiring more in-depth analysis or technical expertise, such as, comprehensive bug reports. Payments are processed through PayPal or direct transfer, with funds typically becoming available within 24 hours of task approval. However, in some cases, it may take up to 10 business days for processing, depending on the nature of the feedback and company review timelines. Now, Testbirds is a great option for anyone interested in technology or looking for a flexible side hustle. Whether you're an experienced tester or a beginner, it offers an opportunity to work with global brands and earn while helping improve the digital products we all use. Lastly, there's Userlytics, a user experience testing platform where you can earn money by providing feedback on apps, websites, and prototypes. Companies rely on your insights to refine their products and improve the overall user experience. Now, here's how it works. You'll record yourself as you interact with the assigned app or website, sharing your thoughts out loud and answering specific questions about usability, design, or functionality. This feedback helps businesses identify areas for improvement before launching or updating their product. Tasks usually take between 20 and 40 minutes, and payouts range from $10 to $20 per task. However, some more complex assignments can pay up to $90, offering a significant earning opportunity for a single session. Payments are processed via PayPal within 24 hours of test approval, and there's no minimum threshold, so you can cash out as soon as you complete your first task. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and testing new technology, Userlytics is a flexible and rewarding side hustle that lets you work with brands and products from the comfort of your own home. And that's a wrap. We have 7 platforms that pay you fast, whether it's taking photos, writing content, testing apps, or participating in studies. These side hustles are not only flexible and straightforward, but also a great way to boost your income with minimal hassle. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical tips on making money and improving your lifestyle. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Which platform are you most excited to try? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.